Hello, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge, and in this video I'm going to show you the speed up tricks on this device. Okay, so let's begin maybe with the developer settings and a few things that we can adjust right in there. So to do it we need to open up our settings. Once we are here we need to scroll down into the bottom until we found the about phone first, and in here we need to find the software information and we need to tap on the build number. Now I need to confirm by drawing my pattern, and now we need to click on allow development settings. Boom, and now the developer mode has been enabled. We can go back, now click on scroll down, from the about phone to the downside, and in here we have the developer options right now. And in here we need to find the four options, four specific ones. So let me find first three of them. They should be somewhere in here. Okay, here they are. It's an animator duration scale, transition animation scale, and the window animator scale. Animation scale, sorry. You can see that defaultly they are set on 1x. Each of those three options, but to improve the speed and the performance of your device we can select them right in here, and we can change those values into the 0.5 or on off. Just simply don't go higher, simply go below 1x. So let's say we select 0.5 for each of those three options, and now our phone will work simply better. Maybe it won't be that big difference, but if you like and want to do everything to speed up your phone, you should change those values. And now also we can simply scroll down, and there's another thing that we can change. Go find the apps, and here we have the background process limit. Currently it's on the standard limit, and it's also the default option, but to improve the speed we can select that option on at most 3 or at most 4. So let's say I'll select at most 4, and basically that's all that we can do in the developer settings. From here we can go straight into the apps, and in here simply, if you have some of the apps that you are not currently using, you can simply clear the cache in that apps. In here, for example, I have the game that I'm not playing. If you want to clear the cache, go into the usage, as I remember, then click on storage, yeah, and in here we can clear the cache. Boom, and now it has been cleared, and our phone should work better. If you have that apps in which you can clear the cache, you can simply do it. Alright, and also of course you can uninstall the app if you are not playing that. So to do it, click on right in here to confirm. Now click on OK, and basically that's all. Remember that you cannot uninstall all of the apps, basically, and mostly the system apps, they won't be able to, there won't be a chance to delete them and to uninstall them. And also if you are planning to delete something, make sure what you're actually deleting, because if you somehow delete one of the system apps, it won't be good. Of course, if you want to uninstall some of the apps, you don't need to do this from the settings. You can also do it from the home screen. So let's say I have the PUBG right in here. Simply hold on the icon, and in here you can also uninstall the app. Okay. Also, don't try to have as many apps opened in the background. Simply you should exit the app that you're not currently using. To do it, open up the recent apps, and if in here you have a whole big list, I'm going to show you. I'm going to open a lot of a lot of apps and a lot of stuff. Okay, and to improve the speed, if you have a lot of the apps in the recent apps, to improve the speed, simply slide up to close them, and now it will work simply better, our device. Also, from the Play Store, if you want, of course, you can download some third-party apps, I mean the cleaning apps, to simply to clear your phone. You can download it from the Play Store. Simply type the cleaner or the cleaning app, and basically that's all. I'm wondering if there's something more that I want to show you right in here. We can open up the device care also, and in here you sometimes you will have the possibility to click on the optimize button. It will be right in here. In my case, everything is great. The phone is saying that, so I don't need to perform any action, but you might have a possibility to click on optimize. Also under the storage, for example, we have the duplicated files. And basically, if something is duplicated, we can simply delete it. So click on delete file, boom, and we don't have any duplicated files. Also under the recycle bin, there might be some apps, and if you want to, you can simply delete them. Okay. And that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.